Hey guys, how you doing? I wanted to do a quick trade review of how the day went today. Um, I'm just recording today in my kitchen, right on my laptop. I just gotta, I got to do this YouTube recording in a way that I'm just comfortable. I don't need to get another mic or go in my office or anything. You guys might hear some echo or something, but I gotta record every day on YouTube. That's what I want to do, and I'm still not consistently doing it. And I apologize out there for anybody who's wanting me to do that. I know I want to, so I'll try to maybe just make myself more comfortable. Blah blah blah. You don't. Carrying on a little bit too much. Let me move on. All right. So anyway, let's go over first these levels. As you guys know that watch the video, the past videos pretty often I post these levels the day before. So I posted these levels the day before, and I woke up to trade New York, and I was highly disappointed to see that price was already above this level. And when price breaks above this level, where do I think it's going to go? I think it's going to go here. And look how it just touched it. That's insane. It literally just touched it and down it went. So this is what we had as a trade plan, 11,040. It tried to make it down there and couldn't. It came close a couple times, but it never tested that section. 11,270. If broken, could see 11,420. Well, yep, that happened. It happened at 5, 6 in the morning when I was still sleeping. And so when I woke up and started live trading in the Discord with the rest of the students here at 8:30 mark. And they can tell you in there when I was trading live with them that I wanted to short the entire time. And I got nervous when it got up here because of what happened yesterday. Because of what happened yesterday, the same thing happened yesterday. I'm like, my goodness. So I said, I'll do a micro. I got to, support my FOMO, get my FOMO, shake that stuff out. And so I took a loss here. I knew price was expensive and everything, but it could break, and it looked like it might. So I went ahead and took a long here and got stopped out for a small loss. Again, it was just one micro. And I was able to look short here. And why did I look short? Why was I so interested in the short? Again, because these are the levels I posted last night, and this is the expected high I thought we would get today. I thought we would get up around this area, and we just touched it and couldn't get above it. So I felt like price was expensive. After taking that loss, I was still a little nervous about, getting in, how I wanted to play it exactly. And that's how indicators can really help you. The levels is the knowledge. It's the homework. It's the grind of putting in that chart time to learn how to trade without indicators, and then being able to see a line like this go from green to red, seeing candles go from green to pink after a rejection. That is what helps you with your emotions. Being able to stay in this entire trade like I did, most of it. I did end up getting stopped out. No, I'm sorry. I apologize. No, I took 100 points. It hit my TP. I forgot. I thought I moved my TP when I was on the live call with everybody, and I didn't. So I got a 100-point trade out of this. But it's because of the red candle coloring, right, that I felt good to stay in this trade. Another thing that felt really good, so these are buy and sell signals that I've made for my mentorship. We have 3 different modes here: trend trader, scalper, and contrarian. Because price was so expensive, I knew I was going to be a bear, and I wanted to go contrarian. So we'll let that load. And this is what I saw, right? I saw rejection right at the top. I mean, right at the top of this rejection, we have a nice triangle for a sell, and then we get confirmed sell here, right? And then after the sell, now the candles turn pink. So all of that with the indicator was enough to help me get into that trade. All right. So I took this trade 100 points down for a short, and then my next trade happened right around here. Yeah, right around here. Turn off the indicator here and just show you guys. I can turn this off. So we're zoom in. All right. So what I saw that I really liked here is we had the trend meter completely red. The candles were completely red. It was touching the level, right? So it's at my level, and there is our green surge. We got our red bordering, and down it goes down it goes. So I took that trade as well. But with this trade, because this trade was a pullback, I did it with 2 minis. I was already up over 300 plus for the day. I only, I'm not going to, lie and say I took this entire move. I didn't. I'm done trading by 11 o'clock. I trade from 8:30 mostly until 11 a.m. And I just took 10 points from this with 2 minis. So within a minute and 30 seconds, I made $400. All right. So my day ended with this. So this was my day. Whoops. Bring that over here. Turn that off. So this was my day today. All right. And the biggest factor to look at, guys, is right here. Let me turn off the candles here. Turn off the algo. Let me delete the brush strokes. When you're looking at a P&L, excuse me, when you're looking at a P&L, just look at this line right here. Average winning time in a trade, 25 minutes. Average losing time in a trade, 1 minute. Why is that important? We want to let our winners run. We want to stay in winners for as long as possible. And we want to cut our losers quickly. And this part of the P&L helps you see that. So end of the day with a little over $700 made, trading from 8:30 to 11. As you can see, I don't take many trades. I don't enter many times. I do my homework at this time of night. I post it for everybody to see. I live trade it so everybody can see when I get in, when I get out, if I win, if I lose. And we rinse and repeat. And I got a lot of people, a lot of students become very successful with me, and I'm super excited about that. And if you guys see something you like and you're interested in joining the mentorship, you can sign up in my calendar link, and I hope to provide you any value that I can in that free educational call. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to do another one again tomorrow and try to get on a routine with YouTube. So thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.